So we already know what exactly Micronaut is and why is it worth learning. So in this video, I will show you how to create a new MongoDB instance with Docker and connect to it using MongoDB Compass, which is a great tool to view and manage the data in Mongo. With that being said, let's open up our favorite web browser, navigate to Google and search for MongoDB Compass, and we can specify download so that will be redirected to the correct page. On this page, let's click with the left mouse button, and right here we don't want to download the MongoDB shell but MongoDB Compass. Right here you can select the version. I will go with the latest stable one. Depending on when you will be watching this video, it may differ. Platform for me is Windows and package executable. Let's hit download, and depending on your connection it may take a while. Let's click on this once again and wait for the executable to be invoked. As we can see right here, we have the new connection pop-up, which where we can specify the URI that we would like to go with. By default, this is the local host and the default MongoDB port. Let's hit connect, and we can see that the connection is refused because actually we don't have MongoDB instance working yet. As the next step, let's open up Windows PowerShell and we'll specify a couple commands, Docker commands, which will let us to set up a new MongoDB instance. On Windows, before you start, please make sure that Docker is enabled and working in the background. You can verify that by specifying Docker for desktop. Right here, this is green, so it means that Docker is up and running. Let's hit PowerShell. Enter. I'll maximize this window, and the first command we'll need is to docker pull Mongo. With this command we pull the Mongo image to our local machine. Hit enter, and again, depending on your connection, this may take a while. So let's wait until it is downloaded. So everything finished successfully. We can even verify with docker images command. Images, and we can see that right here with the tag latest, it was downloaded, created 2 days ago. So as the next command, I would like to specify a new container, and I can do that with docker run -d to inform Docker that I would like this container to be run in a detached mode. -p, with this one I would like to expose the host container. So this one stands for our local host when working on our local machine, for our local host port we would like to use, and the containers port, which is for Mongo, the default one, 27017. Additionally, let's name it with, for example, MongoDB. You can specify whatever name right here would you like to use. And finally, we need to specify which image we would like to use. So this one will be Mongo. As you can see, the hash has been returned, and we can verify with docker ps whether the container is up and running. We can see that it's been created 7 seconds ago and that the appropriate ports are already exposed. So as the next step, let's get back to MongoDB Compass. Right here, hit connect, and we can see that this time we've been connected successfully. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.